So guys, what's up? It's awesome game, game, the best gamer here. And today it's thundering outside, but the camera, it's not good. But it's like where I'm at, it's like really dark, and like over there, it's like all thunder. And right now it's raining. I'm outside right now. I'm not supposed to be outside though. But this is crazy. Now, if you look like over there, it's crazy. Let my hand down. Now, it's like so crazy. Like I never expected. But right in that area, right where my finger is all that thunderstorms right there. All this right here behind me is all the thunderstorms. Now we're gonna get really heavy thunderstorms today, and some possible like really low. But it says, but the poor birdie, there's a bird right there. Shoot. Yeah, we're gonna get some hard rain and heavy thunderstorms. Now, in the last video I tried to upload, what I was uploading was a forest video. Today is another video. I just saw some lightning right there. Now, I'm supposed to be inside right now, but I can't because I gotta watch because I like the weather. But I hate thunder right now. Oh, there's like a light strike. Y'all can't hear this, right? Now this is crazy. Most crazy thing on earth, like last night was crazy. My mailbox thing got cut off. Over there. Here it is. We might possibly have a tornado, like a little speck up there might be a tornado. Y'all see that? This is crazy, y'all. Over there, behind us. And here comes the wind. Oh, let's check over there. Y'all, this is crazy. I'm supposed to be inside now. Behind us as well. This guy's going behind us as well. Yeah, there's another one behind us. Over there. Now the main part, darkness, is like over there, but this back behind us is like light. Back over there is like darkness. Let's make that. Go, birdie, go. Now it's like over there. I'll zoom in. It's over there somewhere. It's like over there, and behind us as well. But mainly back here, in this area. I will go with my front porch. Yeah, it's gonna come. Yeah, now I'll go to my front porch and then now I'm going to my front porch. Don't mind this stuff. Now we're gonna go to the front porch. TV. Now front porch. I'm also thunder is going on back here. Yeah, like back there. There's one back there. Let me put my hood on just in case for this. I'm not supposed to be out here. Now this stuff is like going on like everywhere. Now this stuff is everywhere. I'm gonna go behind here. Garage. Now we're gonna do a slope over here and just watch this thunder. Now, like over here it's like light, but back there it's like thunder. Now I'm gonna wipe my screen off for a minute. Now if y'all can see that darkness over there, but if y'all look back here, I thought thunder is up there. And some lightning came over here too. What if it comes light on me? But over there is darkness. And it's coming this way. So it might be possible to be a tornado. An F5 tornado. I'm gonna run inside right now, fast. My car. Because you won't let that shake. Yeah, it's my strike. It's over there. Over there. Well, this is like these have the lightning storm. My screen's getting wet kind of, y'all, but I need to go inside with us. I might just do We're gonna get some rain a little bit, but a lot of lightning strikes. Yeah. There's like a lot of light strikes over there, right here, and behind us, I think. Yeah, over there is like a lot of lightning strikes. Yeah, it's like all over there, over here. So most is over there because I think it's like some flares over there, and like over there. So let me go back to my drive. Oh yeah, this is fixed. Yeah, it's a little bit. Hey, good neighbor. Oh, we're right outside now. This is the Thunderstorm warning. But y'all, pray for me if I'm safe. This might be a tornado. Love y'all. Subscribe, like, and comment if you have a severe thunderstorm warning at all. Love y'all, Pete. Bye.